slightly, and last week's mortgage applications for buyers were down 12% for the week and down 15% year over year despite the slight rate improvements. It's Friday, June 3rd, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. Both new listings to the market and contracts are down. All markets combined, 1,459 properties are coming soon, falling further than the prior week. 1,293 are temporarily off the market. Further down this week, 1,591 homes were listed for sale, down from last week. 726 went under contract, also down from last week. 1,264 went pending, also down. 2,286 properties settled in 6 days at 102.4% list to sold ratio. The highest sale over the past week was in Wardour for $4,500,000. On the rental front, inventory rose again this week to 1,172 rentals at a median of $2,200 per month. That's the recap for the Maryland Market Minute of June 3rd, 2022. Thanks for tuning in and be well.